Hey there! Welcome to my harmonica lesson. My name is Iman, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Ode to Joy on your harmonica in the key of C. Don't worry, if you have never played harmonica before, you don't need any musical experience or the ability to read the notes. All you need is a harmonica in the key of C, and follow me to the end of the video. So, are you ready to learn how to play Ode to Joy? Let's do this! As you can see here, we have 4 lines. The first, the second, and the fourth lines are similar, and the second and the fourth lines are identical. And the only difference between the first line and the second line is the last bar here. The third line is totally different. So, if you can play the first line, you can play the second and the fourth line, and then you have the third line. Let's start the first line. First bar, 5 blow, 5 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow. Second bar, 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. Third bar, 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow. The last bar, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 draw. The entire line. Okay, second line. It's similar, but the last bar is different. Again, 5, 5, 5, draw, 6 blow. Next bar, 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. Next bar, 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow. And the last bar, 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 blow. Third line. Okay, we start with 4 draw, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 blow. Then we have 4 draw, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 blow. Then we have 4 draw, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. And the last bar, 4 blow, 4 draw, 6 blow. And the last line, similar to second line, is 5, 5 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow. Then 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. Then 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow. And the last bar, 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 blow. Okay, now I'm going to play the entire song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Now you can play Ode to Joy and have fun. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.